Hello, my name is Ajman Lodwin Kwame, a student from University of Education, Uniba, School of Creative Arts, Department of Graphic Design. And I'm here to talk about the assessment of reflections and industrial attachment portfolio. Dairy Printing Port is a place where I did my industrial attachments. And it was so good and amazing because they are into branding, designing, and printing. Dairy Printing Port is a private firm established in Ghana, Maymafo, and has been in existence for 1 year, 7 months. But they are doing amazing things with the purpose of providing best visual communication solutions to their target audience. Their mission is to provide dynamic, creative, and practical design service at affordable price. They also offer efficient and exclusive service in graphic design, information technology, and branding. When I went to Dairy Printing Ports, these are the three basic software they were using over there. Photoshop. They use Photoshop for poster design, flyers, banners, tribute books, and picture retouching. CorelDRAW. They mainly use CorelDRAW for logo designs because all the other poster, banner, and other stuff are being done on Photoshop. MainTop. MainTop is a type of software which they were using for the large format machine. The large format machine, before it can print out, they use MainTop to arrange the works. After that, they issue command for the large format machine to print out. These are some of logo designs I did during my industrial attachments at Dairy Printing Ports. These days full joints and then ESCOM. These are also a logo designs for a client. Social media adverts. These flyers were designed purposely to be advertised on social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and I was able to design them for clients. These are some of the social media adverts, flyers. This one too, social media flyers. And product label. This product, Silas Special Tom Brown, the client was in Kumasi, then he sent me the details and then I designed for him. And after that, after designing, I apply it on the mockup to see how best the label will look like when it is applied on the product. This one too, MK Shito Special. And then the Aegis Black Tonic. This one is a herbal medicine product. And then Roots Alatasamna Shower Gel. After the designing, I apply it on the mockup to see how it will look like on the mock. And then when it's applied on the product, how it's going to be like. And poster design. These are some of the posters I did during my industrial attachments. The first one was Presbyterian Church of Ghana, and they were having some revival. Then the funeral poster as well. These are some of the posters. This one too. And then banner designs. This banner was designed for a Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Ebenezer congregation. They were having some week of evangelism celebration. Then I designed this type of work for them. Then Easter Convention, that was Pentecost Church of Ghana, across the area. These are some of the banners I designed for clients, and it was printed out and mounted. These are some of the invitation cards I designed for clients for their wedding and marriage ceremony. I took my time to come out with this type of design for them because my supervisor once said, when you are doing a design for clients, it's a matter of taking your time to come out with best design. If you be in the haste of finishing the work for the client, you may end up making a lot of mistakes. Before you realize, the work has been printed out and all the cost will be on you, the designer. So I took my time to do this design for my clients and they were loving it. This one too are the funeral invitation cards I designed during the industrial attachment. During the industrial attachment, it was quite challenging and I was able to come out with possible solutions. First, it was meeting of deadline. Because my boss will collect the works, will talk with the client, set the time for them to come for it. And then meeting the deadline was quite challenging. So in order for me to overcome this challenge, I speed up working pace. I work so that whenever the client will come back for the work, it will be ready for him or her. And balanced thinking in doing this one too was quite challenging. So it's anytime I face this type of challenge, I call a friend who is a designer, is a graduate now, and then he will advise me on some things that I should do and things I should not do in order to do a good work. So I was able to cooperate and take the advice as well. Then the last on the list was how to operate the large format machine. First, when I went, it was like, wow, can I operate this machine? It was quite challenging. Then my boss took me over. The first step was the software. She introduced me to the software, briefed me, showed me some things in it, how the software works, and then I was able to absorb all what she said. And then afterwards, she took me to the machine, how to operate the machine. Before you can print out, you need to do head cleaning first. After the head cleaning, you need to do the nozzle test to check whether all the colors are intact. So after that, I personally do extra learning on YouTube in order to get in-depth understanding of how the machine is being operated. So I worked hard on it and I was able to capture all. Experience. The experience I gained was one, meeting the deadline. Since the I was the only designer over there, I was able to work on the fast pace in order to meet all deadlines to prevent designer and the client's conflicts. So meeting deadline, I was able to overcome and work hard. Exposure. I was able to expose to how to do Photoshop printing, how to do comb binding, how to do lamination. I was exposed to how to use the photocopier machine to do front and back printing, how to use the colored photocopier machine to print on a hard card without any damage on the machine. All these are some of the experience I gained. And then building good customer relation. First, when the customer, some customers will come with the agenda that they want the work to be done within some 2 hours or 1 hour time. Uh, so when they come back, it will be like a war between the designer and the client. I'm not able to finish on time. I'll go to other place for. So I was able to talk to them, brief them on how or what goes in design in order to come up with best work for them. So I was able to cooperate with client and then designer relationship. Then effective teamwork. It was like my boss will always sat beside me and she always direct me, do this, make the work bold, image bold, so that they can see the work. Anytime my boss will sit beside me, I was able to develop that kind of teamwork thing over there. And I was happy to do my internship at Dairy Printing Port. Thank you.